So now let's see how we can work around with brush and pencil tool inside of Photopea. So if I want to go around and then make some changes around over here on the left hand side, you can see that brush tool is an option. So if I were to go around onto brush tool and then start drawing out right here, then it starts drawing out with the foreground color, as you can see right here. I can choose around the color, as you can see right here, and then I can change around the size right here just like this and start drawing right here just like this. But if I were to go around over here onto the brush, then you can see that it has smooth edges right there just like that. If I were to go around onto the pencil tool, then I can simply go around and draw, and the thing with the pencil tool is it is quite sharp, as you can see, compared to the brush right here. So now if I were to go around onto the brush tool, then let me just go around and choose the similar type of size right here and then draw. You can see that the brush is softer right here. But if I were to go to pencil tool, it is quite hard right here. You can go around and change around the opacity, as you can see right here as well, and change around the smoothness as well, just like this. So that is what you have right here. So if I were to go around right here, then that is what you have. You can work around with the blending modes right over here as well and make it much more darker and so forth if you want as well, just like this. And you can see that this is how you can start drawing. So that is how you can work around with brush and pencil tool inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.